for the overhead storage, you have choices. You can either buy the one already made out of 100% aluminum for what, 250 bucks, or you can create your own like me. What I do is I'm using the half-inch plywood, and this is the 1-inch aluminum tubing, and then I screw it to here, create it as a lip, so you can store stuff in there without sliding back and forth. And it also help to keep this half-inch plywood from being flexed. It's very strong when you do that. So make like that. This is the top, and then I wrap it with the carpet. Okay, color of your choice. And then for the bracket, I'm using this kit that comes with 4 brackets that fits into the existing screw hole of the van, but the front 2 brackets you do have to trim off, keeping this side about 1.5 inches though, because if you keep it as it is, it's gonna be higher than the front. So to lower it down, and also it fits onto the existing screw hole. Been doing that. And also when you buy, the storage sits very high, so you do have room to put stuff onto the existing shelf over about the visor, but it's too high and leaving very small space. This way you still have room about the visor, and also it's bigger storage on the top. So that's your choice. Oops, crooked. A little bit crooked. So really about 2 inches it can overlap this side. Now that you have the edges started, already glued on this side, I'm going to flip it over and then work on this side. That way you can just glue and then paste the carpet and smooth it at the same time. That way you don't have any bubbles or wrinkles. Okay, done. So this is how it's gonna be like. Top, the bottom, nice and clean. Right. So here are our brackets that fit into the existing screws. this one, you just remove this cap right here and then remove the screw, insert that in. It fits into one of the holes. Then we slide our shelf into it. There, look at this. Fit around this curve, and it's right there flush with the roof, the ceiling here, and it still gives you plenty of room to reach, you know, store whatever here above your visor, and it creates a nice storage size up here. Now all we have to do is screw this in place. Short screw is fine. Just make sure it doesn't fly out. And then we put one more screw right here, just kind of to hold it. And we're done with this. There, done. Now we have beautiful shelf up here. Look at that.